Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing determinant inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. If you have been following this series, you've been able to iron out determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. You've been able to iron out determinant inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, and you've been able to iron out determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. But on this video, we'll focus our attention on inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Now, I want us to check those videos that I mentioned earlier, so that it will guide us, because there are some solutions, calculations we'll be doing here, so that it will not look strange. We've been able to iron them out from those previous topics I mentioned. Kindly check them out. If you have to look for inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix, all you just need to do is to look for your adjoint divided by the determinant. They are long process, so we need to get straight to business. They are long process, so let's see what we can do. So let's say to find adjoints. So let's look for the adjoint first. We keep the answer somewhere, then we now look for the determinant. I'm sure you still remember how we were able to find determinant from our last video. So let's find adjoint first. So to find the adjoint, this is what we are going to do. Just pay attention to the process. They are easy but very long. And look for the adjoint of this. Don't forget, and deliberately keep these signs here. They are corresponding signs. So with this, it will go a long way to help us. So these are corresponding signs to all the elements we have here. The sign for this minus 2 is this plus, so they are all corresponding signs. Now, we are going to be looking for their cofactor one after the other. Let me do the first one first so you understand what cofactor means. So let's get the first one here. So we say cofactor. It's a very long one, but let's start. This is it. Cofactor of 1, this one that we have here. This one that we have here. So we work with that first. So the moment we're going to get the first one, the other one will be easy. So this one that we have here, this is it. But the sign here is what? Is plus. So we put the plus. Then we get the template. So with that, so the numbers that are left here is what? Minus 1. 4, 6, minus 7. Is it minus 1, 4, 6, minus 7? So that's the number that are left. So that's what we'll be working with. Let's go. Don't forget, we have our plus here. So we are dealing with 1 first. This one. So minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 7. That will give us 7. if you remember, we'll say this times this minus this times this, this times this minus this times. So that's what we are doing. Minus 1 times minus 7 will give us 7, minus 6 times 4 will give us what? 24. Beautiful. So this one will give us what? 7 minus 24 will give us what? Minus 17. But because we have plus outside, minus times plus will still give us what? Minus 17. So that's for factor of 1. So we'll move straight to the next one. Factor of 5 now. This one here. That's the next one. Okay, let's get this as a template. It will help us. Factor of 5 now. So the numbers that are left now is 3, 4, minus 3, minus 7. 3, 4, minus 3, minus 7. But this time around, the sign for this, the corresponding sign for this 5 is minus. Awesome. The corresponding sign is minus. So what is left is 3, 4, minus 6, minus 3, minus 7. So let's see how we can work with them. 3, 4, minus 3, minus 7. Awesome. So I haven't done that. So let's see what we have. This time around the sign is minus. So let's see. 3 times minus 7 will give us minus 21. Then minus the normal minus that used to be there. Then minus 3 times 4 will give us what? Minus 12. Beautiful. So having done that, let's see what we have. Minus 21. Don't forget our minus is still here. So we have our minus 21. Let's deal with this sign. Then minus times minus here will give us what? Plus 12. Beautiful. So we now have our minus at the south side. So let's quickly do this. Minus 21 plus 12 will give us minus 9. Minus 21 plus 12 will give us minus 9. So we have in here minus 9. So minus times minus here will give us plus. So our answer here, our cofactor here will be 9. So that's the cofactor of 5 is 9. So we've gotten for 1, we've gotten for 5. Let's move straight to minus 2. You see, we are doing for everything. So let's go for cofactor of minus 2. We have minus 2 here. There is minus here, so we won't make that mistake. So let's quickly get this template. Factor of minus 2. Beautiful. So cofactor of minus 2, the sign, corresponding sign that is there is plus. So we change this one to plus. So the numbers that are left, 3 minus 1 minus 3, 6. 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 Beautiful. So we'll go through the same process again. Let's see what we have. corresponding sign is plus. So we now have 3 times 6 is 18 minus minus 3 times minus 1 will give us 3. Minus times minus will give us plus. Awesome. So since it's plus, that's our corresponding sign. We just say 18 minus 3, it will give us what? 15. Beautiful. We move straight to the next one. I are through with those ones up. So let's move straight to the next one here. Beautiful. So we have the cofactor of 3 now, and the corresponding sign is minus. Now have 5 minus 2, 6 minus 7, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 7, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 7. So we'll go through the same roots. Corresponding sign now is minus, so 5 times minus 7 will give us what? Minus 35. Our normal minus that used to be there. 6 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 12. Beautiful. So what do we have from here? Our minus that is outside, 35 that we have, minus times minus 7 will give us what? Plus 12. Beautiful. So let's quickly solve what we have here. Minus 35 plus 12, minus 35 plus 12 will give us what? Minus 23. Minus times minus 7 will give us plus, so we are left with what? 23. Beautiful. Move to the next one. Awesome. Factor of minus 1 now. The corresponding sign is plus. Factor of minus 1, the corresponding sign is plus. So we are left with 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 7. 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 7. One minus 2 minus 3 minus 7, and the corresponding sign is plus. So as usual, let's get so 1 times minus 7. 1 times minus 7 gives us what? Minus 7. Our normal minus that used to be there. Minus 3 times minus 2 will give us 6, because minus times minus will give us plus. Beautiful. So, because it's plus that is here, we just say minus 6 minus 7 will give us what? Minus 13. Beautiful. So we'll move to the next one. We are moving gradually. Like I told you earlier, it's a very long process. Move to the cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4. The corresponding sign is what? Minus. Cofactor of 4, the corresponding sign is minus. Let's use this as a template. Cofactor of 4 the corresponding sign is minus. So what do we have left? Let's see. 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 7. If you don't cofactor of minus 1, it should be cofactor of, okay, we have not actually claimed what we have here. Beautiful. So we are doing cofactor of 4. Awesome. So we now have, for cofactor of 4, the corresponding sign is minus. So we now have 1, 5 minus 3, 6. 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 So as usual, let's, because the corresponding sign is minus, awesome. So let's go. 1 times 6 will give us what? 6. The usual minus that used to be there. Minus 3 times 5 will give us what? Minus 15. Awesome. So now say 6 minus times minus 8 will give us plus. So we have 6 plus 15. Beautiful. So we have 6 plus 15 will give us 21. So we have minus here, so we now have minus 21. Beautiful. So we are done with that. So we are left with, let's move to the next one. Beautiful. Cofactor of minus 3. We're almost done. Cofactor of minus 3. The corresponding sign is what? Plus. Cofactor of minus 3. The corresponding sign is plus. Cofactor of minus 3. The corresponding sign is plus. So what do we have left? 5 minus 2 minus 1, 4. 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 So let's go. Because our corresponding sign is plus as usual. So let's see what we have. 5 times 4 will give us 20. our usual minus. Minus 1 times minus 2 will give us 2, because minus times minus will give us plus. 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. Beautiful. So this one will just be 20 minus 2 will give us what? 18. So move to the next one. Factor of 6 now. Beautiful. Factor of 6. The corresponding sign is minus. So we are left. Factor of 6. The corresponding sign is minus. Factor of 6. The corresponding sign is minus. Let's iron that out. Factor of 6. The corresponding sign is what? Minus. So what do we have left? 1 minus 2, 3, 4. 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 Beautiful. The corresponding sign is what? Minus. 1 minus 2, 3, 4. So, as usual, 1 times 4 will give us what? 4. Our usual minus. 3 times minus 2 will give us what? Minus 6. Beautiful. So, our corresponding sign is minus 2. Minus times minus 8 will give us plus, so we are left with what? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6. Beautiful. So 4 plus 6 will give us what? 10. So we have minus 10. So let's go straight to the last one. We are still looking for the adjoint. Factor of minus 7. The corresponding sign is plus. Factor of minus 7. The corresponding sign is plus. Factor of minus 7. The corresponding sign is plus. So what do we have left? 153 minus 1. 153 minus 1. 1, 5, 3 minus 1. 153 minus 1. So, as usual, the corresponding sign is plus. Okay, let's go. 1 times minus 1 will give us what? Minus 1. Our usual minus. 3 times 5 will give us what? 15. So because the corresponding sign is plus, minus 1 minus 15 will give us what? Minus 16. Wow, that's beautiful. So we've been able to get all our cofactors now. So let's bring them together. Let's bring them together. So we say the matrix of the cofactors are Just impute all the answer to the cofactor we have gotten. We impute them here. So let's start from this last one that we have here, minus 16. Then followed by minus 10. We impute everything that you have. But don't forget, it's with their cofactor. Or better still, let's start from the top. It's with their cofactor. Let's erase what we have here. It's with their cofactor. So the cofactor of 1, the cofactor of this one is minus 17. Let's put it one after the other. Minus 17. Let's go. The next one, the cofactor of 5 is what? 9. 9. The next one, the cofactor of minus 2. The cofactor of minus 2 is what? 15. The next one, the cofactor of 3 is what? 3 is what? Okay, we have it at 23. The cofactor of 3 is 23. Beautiful. The next one, the cofactor of minus 1. Factor of minus 1 is what? Minus 13. Factor of minus 1 is minus 13. The cofactor of 4. The cofactor of 4 is what? Minus 21. Next one, the cofactor of minus 3 is 18. And the cofactor of 6 is minus 10. The cofactor of minus 7 is minus 16. Awesome. So we've gotten the matrix of our cofactor. Now, adjoint. What is adjoint? Adjoint is simply turning the matrix of your cofactor. When you turn the matrix of your cofactors, that is adjoint. So let's quickly turn this matrix. We are turning this way. Awesome. So let's quickly turn. We are turning all we have here, we put it here. All we have here, we put it here. All we have here, we put it here. So we have minus 17, 9, 15. Minus 17, 9, 15. Beautiful. 23 minus 13 minus 21. 23 minus 13 minus 21. So we now have 18 minus 10 minus 16. 18 minus 10 minus 16. So we have been able to turn. So these are our adjoints. So don't forget to find inverse of a 3 by 3 adjoint over determinant. So after getting the adjoint, so let's quickly get our determinant. Determinant of this same brother we have here. Let's call it that way. So to get the determinant now, determinant. So, like we said over and over again, is putting let's see what we have. Can we get let's quickly work with what we have here. Now to get this determinant, all we need to do, we've been able to solve that before. We've explained how to get a determinant before, but let's just make use of what we have here. Let's quickly do that. These are the corresponding signs. We'll make use of them. Okay, let's go. Like we can use the one up, the middle, or down. So don't forget. So let's just make use of the one that is up. This and this. So the corresponding sign to this one that is crossing is plus. So we just put our 1. What do we have left? Let's get a template. Beautiful. So what do we have left? Minus 1, 4. Minus 1, 4. 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7. That's what we have left. So let's go straight to the next one. This is the next one. But the corresponding sign here is minus. So we need to take notes. The corresponding sign is minus. Where the cross. Let me make use of this one. Sorry. Since it's determinant we are looking for. Beautiful. So where the cross has the cofactor which is 5, but because the corresponding sign is minus, so we'll put it here. So let's see what we have. So what do we have left? 3, 4 minus 3 minus 7. 3, 4 minus 3 minus 7. 3, 4 minus 3 minus 7. And lastly, the last one, the cofactor of minus 2. Minus 2. But the corresponding sign is plus, but because we have minus 2 here, so we'll go with the minus 2. Because when you multiply minus and plus, the answer will be minus. So what do you have left? 3 minus 1 minus 3, 6. 3 minus 1 minus 3, 6. 3 minus 1 minus 3 6. Beautiful. So with this now, we can now find our determinant. So let's go. So we have 1 outside here. Minus 1 times minus 7 will give us 7. Our usual minus 6 times 4 will give us what? 24. We are through with that. So we have our minus 5 that we have here. Let's open up our bracket. As usual, 3 times minus 7 will give us minus 21. Our usual minus that used to be here. 3 times minus 4 will give us what? Minus 12. Beautiful. So we are done with this. So we go straight to this minus 2. Open up our bracket. 3 times 6 here will give us what? 18. Our usual minus. Minus 1 times minus 3 will give us what? 3, because minus times minus will give us what? Plus. Beautiful. So from here, let's go straight. Beautiful. So we say 7 minus 24 will give us what? Minus 17. So we have 1 into minus 17. We have our minus 5 outside here. So we have minus 21 plus 12. That's what we have, because this minus times minus will give us what? Plus. So we now have minus 21 plus 12 will give us what? Because, okay, let's do it one after the other to not to get ourselves confused. Minus 21 plus 12. So I will do the jumping steps. Like I said, it's a very long process. So now 18 minus 3 will give us what? 15. And let's finish it up. So 1 times minus 17 will give us what? Minus 17. Now, minus 21 plus 12 will give you minus 9. Minus 9 times minus 5, that will give us plus 45. So, minus 2 times 15 will give us what? Minus 30. Beautiful. So we are almost done. So having done that, so now say minus 17 plus 45 will give us 28. 28 minus 30 will give us minus 2. Minus 17 plus 45 will give us what? 28. 28 minus 30 will give us what? Minus 2. Awesome. So this is our determinant. So let's go. Since our inverse is adjoint over determinant, since our inverse is adjoint over determinant, so This is our adjoint. Beautiful. Then here's our determinant. Minus 2. This is our determinant. Minus 2. Our determinant is what? Minus 2. Beautiful. That means we are dividing everything we have here with minus 2. So that will solve our problem. Let's just come here and take our adjoint. Or better still, we can to make our job easier. Let's just put minus 1 over 2 by the side here. So we just use it to divide everything we have here. It is still the same. Or let's get a template. Let's get a template here so we make use of that for everything. So we say minus 17 divided by minus 2, because we are using minus 2 to divide everything. Minus 17 divided by minus 2. So here we have 23 divided by minus 2. So here we have 18 divided by minus 2. So here we have 9 divided by minus 2. Here we have minus 13 divided by minus 2. Here we have minus 10 divided by minus 2. Here we have minus 10 divided by minus 2. And here we have 15 divided by minus 2. Here we have minus 21 divided by minus 2. Here we have minus 16 divided by minus 2. Beautiful. So having done that, so here this minus will cancel this minus, so we'll be left with what? 17 divided by 2. Here this minus will appear, so we can put our minus here. So we have minus 23 over 2. Here 18 divided by 2 will give us 9, so we'll be left with what? Minus 9. Beautiful. Here 9 divided by 2, so we just put our minus here. We left with what? Minus 9 over 2. Here this minus will cancel this minus, so we'll be left with 13 over 2. Here this minus will cancel this minus. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. We'll be left with 5 here. Beautiful. Here 15 divided by 2, so just put our minus here. Here minus will cancel minus, so we'll be left with 21 over 2. And here 16 divided by 2 will give us 8. Then minus will cancel minus, we'll be left with what? 8. Beautiful. So this is our final answer. A very long process. You can always pause, rewind this video for better clarification and understanding. If you have any issue, kindly drop a comment or a question with us. You can always like this video and help us subscribe to this YouTube channel, My Simple Maths, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can always receive notification from us whenever we post a new video. Thank you.